Hi, I'm Yusaku, Katada, CEO of Reservation and Ophthalmologist. Today, I'm here to talk to you about our latest technology about gene therapy, which makes blind patients to be able to see the world again. Please close your eyes. Can you imagine what a patient feels like losing their sight? It is said that vision occupies 80% of the information that people obtain from the outside. The quality of life suffers considerably with blindness. As an ophthalmologist, I'm struggling with this current intractable eye disease and trying to overcome this problem. In Japan, there are 300,000 visual impairment patients, and their social cost is over $80 billion per year. And the second cause of this problem is a disease, namely retinitis pigmentosa. What is worse, it is intractable for now. Please let me introduce our approach to visual restoration. The key word is chimeric rhodopsin. Rhodopsin is a photosensor protein, so you can see this light because your rhodopsin is sensing this light. Please look at this table. There are two types of rhodopsin, animal rhodopsin and microbial rhodopsin. We hybridize these two types of rhodopsin to create chimeric rhodopsin that is optimized for visual restoration. This chimeric rhodopsin has higher sensitivity and can work independently, so it overcame the weaknesses of the conventional rhodopsin. Please let me introduce how we can restore vision with this chimeric rhodopsin. It is a simple injection into the eyeball, then the AAV vector delivers this chimeric rhodopsin gene into the target cells. And then the treated cells become photoreceptive. And then the patient comes to be able to sense the light again. The feature of this product is high sensitivity that you can see things even at this evening. This innovative method has a strong market value because it is less invasive treatment. The patient needs only one shot simple injection, and it takes only 1 month to recover vision, and the effects last permanently. Let me introduce one experimental data with mice. In the behavioral test, when the mice sense the light, the healthy mice hide quickly into the dark place. On the other hand, the blind mice early on don't do such behavior. And then the treated mice, as a result of visual restoration, they significantly hide into the dark place, sensing even a dim light. Please let me introduce, here is a competitor analysis map. There are 4 major competitors in the blue rectangle. They are all using microbial rhodopsin I mentioned earlier, so compared to them, our treatment is higher sensitivity, so functionally superior. And in addition, the artificial retina and the IPS require big invasive surgery and expensive. So compared to them, our treatment is much simpler than these. Here is a development plan. We are planning to develop in 6 years of time and $15 million totally, using a full strength as an orphan drug. We have confirmed technical POC, and in the next step to confirm clinical POC, we need $5 million. As a reference of the exit, the competitor I mentioned earlier was acquired for over $500 million. This is a business model. We aim for out-license after obtaining clinical POC, and the target market is the end-stage patient, statistically shown here. From the launch in 2026, we assume a profit of $2 billion at the peak and continue to grow with its overseas income. To realize this project, we have optimized by the team using a full strength of our investing network. Finally, we have a great place in our technology, and it will meet the needs of the blind patient who want to see the world again. We are now looking for a clinical development expert who join us. Thank you for attention today, and thank you very much for your time.